To prep for the software update, remove the compact flash card and ensure any old software files have been deleted. Transfer all necessary software files onto the CF card. Insert the CF card into the AEVIT control module while the AEVIT system is asleep. To begin the update, wake up the AEVIT system and press Accept. A message will appear in the Integrated Messaging Center stating, New software found. Press the alert icon. The update process has begun. Do not interrupt the update. This may cause total system failure. Avoid pressing any button on the display, opening or closing the vehicle doors, or interrupting the AEVIT power source. When the update is complete, the following message will appear. The AEVIT system will automatically shut down. Once the system is off and the screen has turned black, remove the CF card. Delete all software update files, and reinsert the CF card back into the control module. Wake up the AEVIT system and verify there are no AEVIT event messages appearing. Then, navigate to the dealer section and verify the current software revisions, including the status screen 2 and interceptor screen if applicable. Confirm that these software revisions match the most recent update for the control, VIM, gateway, steering, gas and brake, and interceptor.